nice and soft, pillowy, fluffy sushi rice wrapped with some crispy nori and topped with some refreshing salmon and tuna. This is Temaki roll. Hey guys, welcome to Flavour Fridays. I'm Ryan, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make Temaki rolls. So first things first, what you wanna do is to steam the rice. We use sushi rice, so what you need to do is to wash the rice until the water is clear. And very important is that however much gram or the weight of the rice is, let's say the rice is 50 grams, you're gonna add 20% more water to that. For example, 50 grams of rice, you'll add around 60 to 70 mLs of water. Once you added your water and your rice into the pot, close it with the lid, then put it in a rapid boil. And once it hits a rapid boil, turn it down to a simmer and let that simmer for a good 10 to 12 minutes. Once it hit that time, you want to let it steam for another 5 by turning off the heat. Once you finish cooking the rice, you want to add some sushi seasoning and you want to put it into the rice and then mix it in and then put it on a tray, anything that you can let it cool down as fast as possible, and then you can start making your temaki roll. So we got sushi grade fish, and we got this from Japan Center. If you don't get sushi grade, the chances you get food poisoning is really high if you just buy raw fish in Sainsbury or Tesco or any other places in the supermarket. So it really needs to be sushi grade no matter what you do when you're making a sushi. All right, so what you want to do, we're gonna cut this into cubes. You can also cut it into strips, but today I feel good, and I want to cut it into cubes. So I'm just gonna start by cutting into strips, and these bigger strips, I'm gonna cut it slightly smaller because I don't want my cubes to be very big. And then once I cut that in half, I'm gonna start cutting it into smaller cubes. And then you would do the same with the tuna as well. So we're gonna add some extra flavors to the filling. So first of all, I have my salmon cubed up. I'm gonna put it into the bowl, and then we're gonna add 1 part sriracha, and then 1 part Kewpie mayo. Just mix it through. And now we're gonna do it with tuna. So basically, put the tuna in. Sesame oil, this is around 10 mils. And then soy sauce, we're gonna add around a tablespoon. And then just gonna dress it up a little bit with some sesame seed, and then just give it a quick mix. Just a quick seasoning on our temaki roll so that it has some flavor. Of course, traditionally, you won't have that much flavor going on. You wanna taste the purest form of the fish. But recently, with the trends, they add a little bit of jazz and all that nice seasoning so that it looks and tastes good. Now we're gonna start with the garnishes. So we have some spring onions that's already be sliced up, some cucumber, and last but not least, some avocado. You wanna cut the avocado and the cucumber into nice thin strips, and then afterwards, we can start making the roll. So this is the nori sheet that we'll be using today. That's gonna make your hand roll or temaki roll, and you want to cut it in half lengthways. So when you're rolling a temaki roll, you really need to watch out which side you roll. As you can see, you got the shiny side and then the rough side. The rough side should be on the top because when you're rolling it, you want the shiny side to be outside and it will look nice and pretty. And make sure you have all the condiments and all the ingredients ready for you to roll. We're gonna start with the rice. I'm gonna put around this much, like a small egg size, and then spread it like a triangle. You want to make sure that the height should be around 1 grain of rice standing up. If it's too high, it's gonna be very difficult to roll. So we're gonna put some salmon in 1 line. If it starts leaking out while you're rolling, don't worry too much, you can still add it back in. But of course, less is more for now so that nothing will fall out. So once I added that, I'm gonna add some avocados and 1 cucumber. You wanna fold it to a triangle, so from the left corner here, fold it all the way to the right corner. Once you got up to this part, all you have to do is just roll it over nice and tight until the last bit here. I'm gonna add a little bit of rice so that it will stick, and then you got your roll. And then You can always add a little sprinkle of black sesame seed on top just to make it look nicer. And then with the tuna, we're gonna do the same again. Sprinkle that sesame seed with all your love, and that's it. Nice temaki roll. And now it's time to taste. All right, so I'm just gonna grab the tuna one. Gonna dip it in a little bit of soy. Ooh, that was such a delicious temaki roll. The seaweed is nice and crispy. You got the rice, it's nice and soft, pillowy, and the tuna, wow, it's like savory from the soy sauce and the sesame oil, and with the sesame seed on top, that's just the best combination I've ever had. Thank you for watching Flavour Fridays. Hope you enjoyed this video like I enjoyed my recipe making. And of course, let us know in the comments down below what is your favorite sushi. And of course, see you next Friday.